Welcome back to Glisa's YouTube channel. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang Tilta Lightweight Shoulder Rig. Isang powerful tool para sa smooth at cinematic handled shots. If you're a filmmaker, content creator, or vlogger, this rig will level up your videos. Kaya tara, iset up na natin ang Tilta Lightweight Shoulder Rig. Bago tayo magsimula, tingnan muna natin kung ano ang nasa loob ng bag. Una, ang shoulder pad. This is the main support that rests on your shoulder. It helps distribute the weight of the camera evenly para comfortable kahit matagal ang shoot. Pwede nyo ma-adjust ang screw katulad nito. Pangalawa, ang base plate. Dito naman nakakabit ang camera. It attaches securely to the 15mm rods, allowing you to add accessories. Pangatlo, ang hand grips at adjustable extension arm. These adjustable grips help you to hold and maneuver the rig easily para sa mas magandang control at stability. Pang-apat, ang 15mm rods. These are the metal rods that run through the rig. They serve as a attachment point for accessories like follow focus for smoother manual focusing, matte box to block unwanted light, battery pack for longer shooting time.
Panglima, ang rear shoulder support pad.
At ang mga mountain accessories. Ngayon, i-assemble na natin ang Tilta Lightweight Shoulder Rig. Una, ikabit ang plate sa camera. Kung magkakabit kayo ng plate, mas better na magpatulong kayo sa kasama nyo. Ngayon, ikabit na natin ang plate sa camera. Pangalawa, i-attach ang shoulder pad sa base plate.
Third, place the rear shoulder support pad for weight distribution.
Ito. Pang-apat, ikabit ang hand grips para sa komportableng paghawak. Panglima, ikabit ang camera sa base plate. At huwag kakalimutang ilak. Basta make sure na well-balanced pa rin ang rig mo kung magdadagdag ka ng accessories. Ngayon, alam nyo na kung paano i-set up at gamitin ang Tilta Lightweight Shoulder Rig para sa mas stable at cinematic na shots. Stay tuned at kita-kits sa next video!
If you would like to rent this or any of our other equipment, feel free to contact us at info@glisas.com or any of the numbers on your screen. You may also check our equipment list at avstudioservices.com. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Thank you for watching!